Hi, I'm Hans Toh, and I help over 10,000 professionals to secure better jobs. And here's the truth. Most job seekers miss one key element throughout their job search process. And once my clients get to know and adapt this key element, everything changed. They got tremendous results. You see, it's not just about job titles or job duties or even academic qualification that matters. What matters most is the value that you can bring. So let me explain. Imagine you want to hire a plumber. Plumber A says, I work with pipes and taps all day. While plumber B says, I fix leaks and help you save on your water bill. Same skill, different message. So who would you choose? Of course plumber B, because the value is clearer. And that's how I change the result for my clients. And their results speaks for themselves. Alright, I've created a step-by-step program to help you do the same as well. It is not a magic wand, but it's the closest thing to it, I believe. Because the program is designed to increase your marketability so substantially that getting your ideal job becomes the natural outcome. In this program, here's a 3-step framework of what we'll work on together. Number 1, communicate your value in your resume, LinkedIn, and profile so that employers will take notice. Secondly, showcase your value publicly to increase visibility and attract more opportunities. And thirdly, nail your value pitch during interviews so you can stand out and close the deal. If this resonates with you and you're ready to see real results, click the button below and secure a seat to my upcoming masterclass. So let's work together and land you a better job.